coming back. Box number 2 of the 3-boxer. Off we go. You want to try the safety?
Oh no, I wouldn't be able to use that.
Not qualified to use the safety cutter.
I'm not qualified to carry your tool bag, man.
Very few are. All right.
Ooh, see why it's heavy.
I see some good stuff on top. We got some vinyl.
Oh, nice.
Mary J. Blige.
Nice.
Yes.
That's a good one.
That is a good one. It's a good album.
What does it look like?
Mary J. Blige.
Nice shape.
I don't know.
Let's see how he holds the vinyl. We pulled the.
You know what? Two
Oh,
pieces.
beautiful.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Two records.
Guys, Mary J.
Records.
Blige.
Y'all know what records are. I know some of you do.
You're making a
Come
comeback.
back. All the cool kids.
There is a lot of vinyl in here, actually. Oh my! This is going
Yes.
to work with me.
I would like
Anybody
my
take
stapler.
my string line stapler?
I would like my stapler. Put my stapler back in the gift.
There's my stapler.
This is a great thing. Like,
Here we go. What is this here? Who's this?
It's the same
Mac
one.
Miller.
Mac Miller.
Mac Miller record. For all you Mac Miller fans.
And just like him, he has a song called Don't Know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, there's the reason why. Oh, people.
People, don't tear your cover up. You know, you can rub the plastic against your pant leg and it'll open up the seam.
Yeah. There you go.
Little
What
old
is
DJ
this?
trick.
I have no idea who this is.
Frontal
This is
advisory. That one's got to be good though.
Side A.
Who's that?
I don't know.
EP, 6 songs.
It's a Gaffin Records.
It is.
I don't know.
Let me see on the side.
Featuring Dan Reynolds
Oh,
of Imagine
Imagine
Dragons.
Dragons, yeah.
Las Vegas, here you are.
Vegas native. Original me.
Oh, they got
I
letters.
don't know. I don't know who this guy is. I'm sure we'll find out and we will post accordingly. Maybe we do a pop-up video.
Yeah.
Pop-up videos.
Oh,
I missed those.
it was great. VH1.
Did love pop-up videos.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
No, seriously, oh, man.
Oh man. Oh man.
Please,
I was
people.
looking at it going, what is this?
Oh,
Oh, man.
With their #1 hit, Crystals, and Eye of the Storm,
Yeah.
with the
And
capital
Empire.
I. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man. What else we got here?
This box doesn't have very many items, but they're quality.
07. 07. Don't know the either. I don't know 07.
Well, what kind of gig does somebody have that they return all these?
What is this? You gotta be kidding me. This is Panic at the
Oh,
Disco.
yeah, there you go.
Come on, folks.
Even I know what that is.
Jesus. One of my favorite bands right here. Panic at the Disco.
Is it really a band? It's the one dude, though.
Well, it's Brendan Urie.
Yeah.
I mean, great dude. Love his music.
And he's a good, he's a philanthropist, too.
Yeah.
Lovely
Yeah.
dude.
Oh. Your favorite, everybody's favorite? Brita cartridges. Oh. And
That's
another
more.
Brita cartridges. There you go. Oh.
Wait. Oh, no.
Oh, brand new one?
Heat Touch. It's good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
You
Oh,
guys,
labels.
organize your stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I've got 2-pack.
Organized labels.
Oh, you know what that is? That's Youngblood.
Is that what it
I
is?
think it is. Yeah.
All right. Well, there you go. We have a wireless microphone and hi-fi speaker, so you can do all your karaoke's. It goes great with all your music records that you're going to buy. You can sing along with your favorite bands.
Does it have a display on there?
It's got like a little,
Oh,
so you can like do the mic, and it has a little speaker that goes with it too. So
that's an odd color, but cool.
yeah,
Cool.
pretty peach.
Unique.
We also have a professional conference microphone. I know a little child that was just asking for a microphone to do her YouTube videos.
Really not the greatest quality.
But it's a pile. They
Yeah.
put professional.
Professional.
Sometimes when it says professional,
It means
it's saying.
not professional.
But you can try.
But yeah, try it out. What the heck? You got a couple reams of paper.
Yep, there again, the reason this box is so heavy.
Reams
Blue?
of paper.
And,
Oh, is it blue paper? It is
Yeah.
blue paper.
Nice, that's a keeper.
Nice.
oh, it's vellum though. No, it's good paper, it's vellum.
Oh, nice.
Print
Oh,
your drawings on these
look at
people.
It's something to play
This
your
is-
records on.
A record player. So you get the
You're telling me
records,
that they didn't plan
and
this
then
out.
you
They
have
planned this package.
the Bluetooth turntable, 2 turntables,
Well, one turntable
and a microphone.
Oh,
So
and a
you got-
microphone. Oh, come on. Somebody had a
Come
sense of
on.
humor. Somebody had a
Somebody set this up. A turntable and a microphone. Oh.
Just missing the Curtis Blow record
Yeah.
here.
Oh, you got a dash cam?
Wait, whoa, somebody was
Yes,
asking about
dash
that.
cam.
Somebody was asking about one of those.
150 wide angle, 1080p.
Wide angle. That might help.
We're fat.
No, I'm saying when you have the camera facing forward and you get T-boned, not much
Doesn't
help from
work.
the dash cam. No.
Gotta have one of these.
I'm not speaking from any kind of experience, but I don't have any ACLs left.
What do we got? High power amplifier wiring kit.
10 gauge.
10 gauge.
Rockville, baby.
Yeah.
It's heavy, huh? And they put all the heavy stuff in here.
Yeah.
Let's throw some 10 gauge wire in there.
17 footer.
You run some subs in your Mustang?
There you go.
It's a
66. Needs a sub.
Oh, whoa.
Your
there's-
Beats 3.
No, your
Your Beats 3.
Your Beats.
Your Beats 3.
That breaks my mind. They're not my Beats.
They're definitely not Dre's, so.
They actually are. They are Beats.
These are apples.
They're not. They're actual Beats?
No, they're
Beats by
actual.
Dre.
They're actually for Apple. They have the
They're
lightning.
Beats by Dre, and they have the lightning adapter.
The lightning.
Oh, I lied. They are from Dre. Sorry. Well,
Oh,
this is the whole
man.
sub kit.
Yeah, the whole kit's there.
Oh, shooky, shooky.
Oh, so we got some.
So we got some
That's a little
Beats. Beats by Dre.
Alright, it's not bad.
Oh, we got another PlayStation controller. It's
It's a real legitimate third party.
off-brand. Keep on going, and oh wow, we're pretty much bottom of the barrel here. I got a charger. What's this for?
Actually, no, this is a good name in controllers. HORI. That's a big name.
Oh, this is for the Apple.
Oh yeah, that's a thunder. That's a thunder.
Yeah, for like the
Thunderbolt, yeah. For the
big
laptops and
Yep,
stuff.
there you go.
Ooh, Sharpies?
And some Expo Sharpies. Everybody needs some good Sharpies, folks. And
This is awesome. This is for.
that's the end of our box.
Oh, these are wet erase.
Not dry erase, but wet erase.
Oh, up there in H.
Ba-dum-bum.
Ew.
All right, that's the end of that box. Stay tuned. We got one more box to go. But this was a pretty decent box, I gotta be honest, with all the record players, the records, you know. I mean, if you like vinyl, come on in.